making homemade lasagna. Your ingredients are tomato sauce. Watch our tomato sauce video to see how to make it. Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, mozzarella, olive oil, ricotta, and homemade pasta. We have a video of that too. Get a pan and put olive oil under, just a little bit, so the pasta doesn't stick. Okay. Now we're going to put our first piece of pasta. Now let's continue. We got to put some ricotta and put it in and spread it. If it's too hard to spread, put some heavy whipping cream inside your ricotta and mix. And start spreading. We got to put the mozzarella on top, not all of it because we're going to have more layers. And now we got to put the Parmesan. Okay, and then put the sauce on top. Now we gotta put a layer of pasta. And then you gotta keep on going until everything is done. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and 400 Fahrenheit. Hi, my name is Coco and today we are making a homemade pasta.